All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the trade I took today. Beautiful day. I actually called this out perfectly. Let's get into this. So, coming into the day, I had a bullish bias just because we sold off so heavy here and we were also playing in this 4-hour gap. And I was like, bro, I'm not shorting this shit because it's like this can reverse at any time. So I'm like, it's either longs or no trade for me unless we come up to equilibrium and then I short, but that wouldn't have worked out. Now, coming into the day, yeah, market opens. Let's see. Market opens, we rip higher, we create these relatively equal highs right here on the, yeah, these are, what are these, 15-minute? Yeah, 15-minute. And I was like, wow, so we're just not going to take out this 15-minute low or this hourly low. But we actually did. We came down, took out the 15-minute low, and then filled this 15-minute gap perfectly. We respected it. Now, the first trade I took actually it pisses me off because like I everything was correct and Nasdaq just decided it wanted to touch me, but I basically took it off this 1 minute inversion right here. Boom, long break even here. First take profit, second take profit. I would have had third take profit somewhere up here, but I ended up getting wicked out by literally one tick. Yeah, literally by one tick, and then we proceeded to go higher. And I was like, all right, bro, fuck this. I got to get my get back. And then second trade was literally just based off the 1 minute inversing this gap. Actually, this was a 5 minute gap, but I just had strong conviction, right? So yeah, this 5 minute inverse, this 5 minute candle inverse this 5 minute gap. I took it off the 1 minute because I just had strong conviction in this trade, at least for us to come up to the relatively equal highs. I mean that's a pretty obvious target. So yeah, went long, right after the inversion, stop under this candle, break even at this high, first take profit. Now, the problem with first take profit was I kind of got scared because I saw ES take him out before NQ took him out, and I was like, oh shit, this is a potential SMT. So I actually took first take profit right here at this high instead of this high. Then second take profit right here at this 15-minute high, and then third and final take profit at this hourly high. So yeah, pretty simple day, dude. I gotta piss so bad. But yeah, it honestly the first trade sucks that I lost, but I mean risk to reward on this is better. This is a 1 to 3. This would have been like a 1 to 2 probably. I don't know. Let's see. Dun dun dun. Up to, so I would have had first take profit there, break even there, second, third. All right, let's see this shit. If we didn't get stopped out, yeah, 1 to 2. Better risk reward on this one. And yeah, so that's pretty much the trade from today. Pretty simple day, pretty obvious where prices wanted to go. There was no reason to be shorting when we're in this 4-hour gap. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. If you haven't, follow the social medias, join Traders Corner. Actually, I believe we had an SMT. Let's see. Did we have an SMT on this trade? Yeah, we did have an SMT. I really did not take account into that SMT. I really did not care. But yeah, as you see, we did have an SMT as well. Another trade that you could have taken, 2 minute as well. Here, you could have taken that. You probably would have gotten a better fill than me. Actually, no, probably the same fill. But yeah, so you could have taken that 2 minute trade if you didn't take the 1 minute. Again, obvious trade. 5 minute. That was probably a trade of the day. Another thing you could have taken was this 1 minute inverse, but to the downside, targeting these 15-minute lows. But I don't know. Not my type of trade just because we didn't take out any liquidity. Yes, we did come into this 15-minute bearish gap, but no liquidity. So, I mean, we took this out, but like after leaving relatively equal highs, that's not something I'm shorting. So, yeah. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap. I'll see you guys. So, no market close tomorrow for Good Friday. So, that means I'll see you guys Monday. Yeah. Peace.